Okay, boys and girls, Tuesday's homework. We are reading this week. The story is called The Emperor and the Peasant Boy. For Tuesday, remember you have to reread and find 5 words you don't know and look up their definitions. Okay, very important. Look up their definitions. Make sure that you are looking these words up. You're not just listing the words. You have to tell us what they mean. Okay? So, for example, if I put the word peasant, okay, I have to write down the definition right across. What does it mean? Okay? And you need to look them up. So, take that time to look them up. Here's another one, generous. So you'd have to look up generous and write down the definition. Okay? So don't forget that step. There's a lot of you, I know people in my class are forgetting that they have to do that. Okay? All right, The Emperor and the Peasant Boy. Here we go. We're going to be reading. Early one morning, a lone traveler walked down a dusty road. Around a bend in the road, he came upon a young peasant boy gathering firewood in a field. The boy's family needed the wood to cook their meals. I can see that it is not easy to find wood in this field, the traveler said. Why don't you go up into the forest on the hillsides? There must be plenty of wood up there. Oh no, the peasant boy exclaimed, as though shocked by the suggestion. All the land in the forest belongs to the emperor, and the emperor's laws said that no one else may enter the forest. What a shame, the traveler said. All that good wood up there is going to waste. Your emperor must be a selfish ruler to be unwilling to share his wood with his people. The emperor may not be a generous person, said the boy, but that doesn't give me the right to break the law. Well, the traveler said, I must be on my way. The peasant boy said goodbye to the stranger and went back to collecting wood. Several days later, a messenger came. The boy and his family were ordered to return with the messenger to the emperor's palace. When the peasant boy saw the emperor's face, his eyes grew wide and his jaw dropped. You're the stranger, the boy gasped. The man I met on the road. The emperor smiled. You refused to break my laws. For that, I intend to reward you and your family. He gave them a chest of gold. Thanks to you, the emperor continued, I have learned that one of my laws is unjust. From now on, all who wish to enter my forest may do so. Okay, reread and find 5 words. 5 words you don't know and look them up and put their definitions there. Okay, addition of 3 numbers. Okay, remember, we have to go ahead and we are learning how to add multi-digit numbers. So they've already done 1 for you. Okay, 1 for you. So let's begin with B. Okay, B across. So what we're going to do here is, and if you want, boys and girls, you could do this however you want. There's 3 digits, right? So do what you know, okay? So what I would do is okay, I know that 6 and 6, 6 plus 6 equals 12, okay? Now all I have to do is do 12 plus 4. Well, what's 12 plus 4? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I'm going to put my 6 here, my 1s, and I'm going to put my 10s with my 10s. Okay, on this side, do what you know. You know what is 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. And then here's 12, and then plus another one, that's 13. So your answer, the sum should be 136. Okay, now, in my class, we're learning that whenever there are gaps in here, just fill them with zeros. That way you don't get confused. Fill them with zeros. So we're going to start with the 1s. Okay, we're going to do another one. So C, we're going to start with the 1s. 0 plus 8, well, we know that's 8. And then plus 5, so 8 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to put the ones with the ones and the tens with the tens. So we're going to do 9 plus 0, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the sum is 133. Okay? So you're going to do the same thing with these ones here too. Okay? And then right here for number 4, do it exactly the way it showed you. Line up the digits, then find the sums. Okay? Line up the digits. Now remember, these only have the tens. Ones, tens, ones, tens. So to make it easier for yourself, go ahead and add those zeros. So that way those are your placeholders. So now you have 3 digits. And then you can go ahead and find the sums. So when we do 9 plus 2, that's easier for me. I'm going to do 9 plus 2, that's 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So my 6 is going to go here. And my 1 is going to go with the tens. So now we have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. That's 6. 6 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9. Plus 1 more, that's 10. Make sure to put your 1 with the hundreds. Right here, 1, sorry. And then you're going to add your 1, just drop it. So it should be, the sum is 106. Okay? And that is all, boys and girls, for Tuesday's homework.